Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, today's video is slightly different because I have you up in a higher angle so you can see the whole sketchbook. Speaking of sketchbooks, I'm going to talk about today, can you have more than one sketchbook going on at one time? I saw this done on several videos, but I just want to clarify that about this video. Now, I am drawing in a bigger sketchbook. With this one right here, it's pretty big. This is the cover. Yes, I do have a Chinese carton on the front, because why not? But this is the drawings, these other drawings I'm doing in today's video, and I thought, since I drew Cartoon Boys video yesterday, I will go ahead and do Cartoon Girl today video, which is Sunday, so, or Monday, depending when I post this. But I'm filming this on Saturday. So this is the bigger sketchbook. It's, I think, around 11 by 17 or 11 by 14, something like that. I've had the size covered, so I don't know. But yeah, it's by Strasbourg. So here is, and I'm going off camera to finish the doodle pages and whatnot. But I just wanted to show you the current sketchbook I'm working in, which is this one right here. You guys have seen it plenty of times on my channel. I've been working on this for the whole January, and this is my sketchbook. It's so thick and going to grow even better, and I'm hoping that this sketchbook will turn out to be like this one. So if you guys have any questions, or if you guys want a sketchbook like this, go check out my sketchbook inspiration video, what to put in your sketchbook or something like that, so go check that out. I put everything and anything in my sketchbook I feel appealing to, so definitely go check that video out if you want a sketchbook like this. I show you various examples and tips and tricks, whatnot, in that sketchbook video. It's not really a sketchbook tour, but I'm going on and on about it. But today I'm going to be talking about, this is the size comparison to the sketchbook, so you can get a general size. I like these sketchbooks right here mostly in my comfort zone. So, but this one I want to challenge myself, thinking I could do the same thing with this one that I've done in here. It's just a bigger size. Now, personally, I feel overwhelming by this, and I feel a little stressed and having to fill up a whole page, but taking the techniques I learned from this sketchbook, apply it to this one, I hope I can be able to do so. So with that being said, let's get on with today's video. I thought about filming different angles, but I feel like this angle is working better for me. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn your notification bell so you won't miss a video, and like the video. And thank you for watching. Bye guys. Continue watching the rest of the video, and I will see you guys on Monday or something. Or yeah. Bye guys. Continue watching the video though. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I thought I would cover, should you have more than one sketchbook at a time? And honestly, it depends on what you're aiming for. Like, if you're aiming for productivity, then I would say yes. But if you're aiming for relaxing, want to finish it fast, or stick with one sketchbook, then go ahead and stick with one sketchbook. But I think it's important to have more than one sketchbook at a time, because sketchbooks can come in different sizes, they can come with different paper, they can come with different, medium uses, and I think it's important to practice what you feel comfortable with. Now, I've done a lot of research, and they keep saying have your sketchbook a different subject matter or a different whatever you use it for type thing, but I just love to draw cartoons and I can't get out of it, and I love it. So starting a new sketchbook for me, even though it's cartoons still, I have a lot of fun with sketching bigger sketchbooks and taking what I learned from the previous sketchbook into the newer one. I'm excited to start this one because I'm excited and I've been learning things from Skillshare and it's been a lot of fun. Skillshare is not sponsoring this video or by any means, but I just want to have a place for you guys to come to, like for sketchbook ideas, inspiration. But yes, it's good to have more than one sketchbook so you don't get bored with your art and if you're stuck in a rut in the same sketchbook for over a month, that could get general, I guess, boredom. I don't think that's for me. Like, for me, it takes me about a month to complete a sketchbook. Whereas it might seem like it's fast, but honestly, between digital gaming and all sorts of stuff, it takes forever. So, it's just, I don't know, sketchbook to me is like a place for happiness and a place to create a mess. As you saw here at collaging, now I'm drawing over it. Just taking the same techniques I learned in previous sketchbooks. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to put the rest of music, but I hope you guys understand. If you have any tips and tricks from me, or if you want to help each other out in comments, go ahead. If you have any sketchbook video ideas you want to see me do, leave them also in the comments below. Like how to fill a sketchbook page or sketchbook doodle ideas or anything like that. Just let me know and I'll be happy to do it. You have any drawing tutorial suggestions or when you want to see, let me know and I'll be happy to do that too. Just any video suggestions, ideas, I'm kind of running out of them, which is probably why it's not traditional art back to back. So, yeah, I really don't have much else to say here, except, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys, and enjoy the rest of the video.